Yeah, my bike feels weird. What's up? Honestly, I don't know if they're flipping me off or or saying hi. I don't know. Either way, it's kind of funny. Oh my god, fuck this. My bad, I missed. False neutral, my bad. Oh, it's like over there, dude. Was that hanging on your car? It's a big ass antenna. Way over the line quite a bit, dude, so just quite a bit, dude. You know, you wanna, yeah, make sure you don't beat that guy, you know, if you can, on blind corners. Just make sure you don't do it on blind corners, honestly, or the tail of a dragon anywhere, honestly. Interestingly, yes, going over the that line on the tail of the dragon, everyone will yell at you for any reason, even if it's not a blind spot, because it's so popular, everyone goes to it all the time. on, go fast. You were doing so good earlier. I'm only in first gear, come on. This guy's like fucking crazy. You drive over the double yellow line. Drive like that. Honestly, it's a really bad idea, and it's like very taboo to cross over the double yellow line, especially on a blind corner. Over here, it's perfectly fine if it's clear to do it on a straightaway. That's fine. Or some of S turns right there, it can be fine, but just make sure you do it at a minimum just in case. You know, you see me, I was not going over the lines or anything. I was keeping in my lane and everything. That's how he was able to have more of an advantage, because he was just being a douche kinda. Let's take a break here. No smoking. The lady over there with the pink hair guy kind of defended how I passed her. Just like, well, I have identity and everything. Feel hella shaking. Well, I was like, yeah, whatever, you know, I apologize and everything, but, you know, you were going 15 miles an hour, no, 10 miles an hour in the 25 zone. So, I mean, I didn't say it to her. I was like, yeah, whatever. It's just like, you're not going to get all offended when I'm about to tell you something. I was like, no. I just came here for a nice ride. Honestly, you know. I'm on the move for that right now. Oh, it's like the clattering noise. I figured out what it was. So basically, I forgot I have a fairing bolt that came out, and so sometimes it will slap against the chain a little bit. So it's not a big deal. Oh, that's where I almost crashed before last time. Man, Mexico's improved dramatically. Thank you for being in your lane. Unlike that other guy. Remember, kids, always be safe, and always, if you're ever planning to go fast, stay in your lane at all times. It's a nice day outside today. Ah, look look at that view. Well, you can't really see it in full detail, especially on a GoPro, but yeah. I was trying to get my camera, my good camera, but I don't know. I always feel like if I crash, it would be destroyed, and I don't want that. So, yeah. I don't know. See, let's see how well I did. Well, I didn't do my, like, absolute best today. Let's just check out here. Oh, better. About a fingernail size. My right, half a fingernail. Pretty good. Good thing I got these Dunlops Road Smart 3. Is it 3 or 2? 3, yes. Oh wow, the sun's rising. Oh, so cool. Wow, you can see all the fog right there. It's not exactly fog, but I don't know exactly what it is. It looks nice. It's so colorful. Down there should be like downtown. Yep, there's downtown. You can't see that though. Downtown is straight ahead. Right there. Downtown Phoenix. Man, this is nice. Early in the morning. Wow, it feels nice. Look at this view. I didn't get my phone so I could at least take a picture of this. Oh, this is perfect. Yes. Let's try from right here. Oh, this is actually a good shot too. A little too bright, but I could work on it. Wow. Oh, hi little butterfly. Where you been? Where you go? Oh. Land on a bike. Where did you go? Oh, I flew away. Bye, butterfly. I was like, oh my god. I was supposed to say, like, oh my god. If I got that shot, that would be amazing. Oh well. I just came here to test out these tires. These tires actually grips a lot better than my old ones. Of course, my old tires were worn out and needed to be replaced. So yeah. Alright. Trying to go home now. Now I don't want to like go all street rossi, cause again remember what happened last time. Freaking park ranger. Yep. So that's enough of that. The fuck? This is weird because look, my low beam's on, but my high beam's on. That is bizarre. Yeah, that's really bizarre. That's not good. So it has an electrical problem. So basically,